Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the color of an object in a picture in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to change the color of an object or picture. Go to the blank page. Then go to the tools section and select the place tool. Then choose picture from our file. You can see here many pictures. Now I select this picture and click open. Then place in this page. Then select the picture and go to the layer section and go to the new adjustment, and we can see here many options. We go to the color balance. Then change the color using the color dropper. You can change the highlights or anything. Then close the panel. Now we can see we change our object color very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.